Quadratic equations. Today I am explaining you how to solve the quadratic equations very easily and very basic level. I am telling you today. If you like this video, then I'll be uploading more and more videos on this, and this will be very helpful for you to clear your preliminary examination. Minimum 5 marks you will get with this. So here I'm saying you a few tricks. It's quadratic equations will be given. Mostly 4 types of quadratic equations will be there: plus minus, minus plus, minus minus, and plus plus. This maybe you will be confusing by seeing what is this signs and all. I'll tell you the examples now. See here, plus and minus. See the example equation: x square plus 5x minus 6 is equals to 0. So in answers you will be getting roots like this. See, minus and plus, right? So this is the thing I have written here. Root 1 is minus and root 2 is plus, right? And in the question, if you are given this equation like this, then answer you will be getting minus and plus for sure. So x square plus 5x minus 6 is equals to 0 means x plus 6 into x minus 1 is equals to 0, which will be giving you these equations, which is equals to 0. If you multiply these two, then you will be getting this equation. So from this we have to find the from this you have to find the roots, right? So x plus 6 is equals to 0 and x minus 1 is equals to 0, which will be giving you x is equals to minus 6 and x is equals to plus 1. So by seeing this you can know that in equations, as I have told you, if you get the equations with plus and minus, you will be getting the answers with minus and plus, and first root you will be getting minus and second root you will be getting plus. Similarly, minus and plus. See here, minus and plus you will be given in the equation, and in answers you will be getting plus and plus. See how I have solved you for the same example. I have changed the signs because first time you are seeing this, so you need to understand how we are getting this plus and minus symbols and all, right? I am also a bank student. I am also preparing for this exam, so I know what is the easiest way to solve the equations. So I'll be teaching you more and more questions on this. First in this session I am saying you only have to find the roots. By seeing the question itself, you have to know what are the signs we will be getting in the answer, so that you can compare yourself without solving the equation sometimes. So see this, x minus 3 into x plus 2 with x minus 3 into x minus 2, which is equals to 0. So from this you can say x is equals to plus 3 and x is equals to plus 2. So as I have told you, this plus and plus 2 signs. So here you see plus 3 and plus 2, right? In the similar manner, minus and minus you will be getting plus and minus in the equations, whereas we have got minus plus 6 and minus 1. See answers, and similarly first root and second root, right? Plus and plus you will be getting minus and minus. Plus x plus 5x, x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0, which is equals to x plus 3 into x plus 2, which is given minus 3 and minus 2. These two are the equations. In next video I will be saying you how to compare the roots and how to answer the question within the given time.